Hi, I'm Erica Enders, and you're listening to Nitro Notes on Competition Plus.
Welcome to a special edition of Nitro Notes presented by the Performance Racing Network. I'm Brandon Mudd. At the last race in Houston, Erica Enders-Stevens chalked up the 99th pro win by a woman in NHRA history. This weekend in Atlanta, ladies in all 4 pro categories have the chance to cement their name in the record books by hitting the century mark. Alexis DeJuria, with 2 wins this season, said it would be an honor to achieve this milestone.
I'm very honored to be on that list already. To get that 100th win would be absolutely incredible, and I would feel very, very honored to get that. The women that inspired me coming up through the ranks, first and foremost, would be Shirley Muldowney, Bunny Burkett, who raced Alcohol Funny Car, Shelly Payne, formerly known as Shelly Anderson. She used to race Top Fuel Dragster and then went into Pro Mod. She has been a huge inspiration to me in the sport, and also a personal close friend of mine as well.
Courtney Force, another woman whose name is on this list, agreed that earning the 100th victory would be an incredible accomplishment.
There's so many famous, great names on that list of people who have won, and it would just be an honor. I mean, I've won a couple races before, so it's really cool to be on that list already alongside my sister Ashley and a lot of other female drivers such as Shirley Muldowney, Angel, Erica, Alexis. But to be the number 100 would definitely be insane. It would be an honor and definitely a huge accomplishment, not only for myself but for my team.
For Brittany Force, it's an even bigger deal, since a win would not only be the 100th win by a woman, it would be her first ever win, and she would also become the 100th different driver to win a Top Fuel race.
Right now, the Castrol Edge team is just looking for our first win. We went after it last year during our rookie season and fell short of that. So this year, we're really going after it. We want to bring home the first Top Fuel win for John First Racing. Now, if we were able to do that and also bring home the 100th win for women in the sport of drag racing, that would just be monumental.
And finally, Angie Smith is another racer looking for her first win in addition to the 100th NHRA win by a woman. The North Carolina native, who announced this week that she had received additional sponsorship from Candy Magazine and Barkaid, said she doesn't quite know how she'd react if she turned on that win light.
I think I would pretty much go crazy. I don't even know how I would react because I've never won a Wally, and I've been racing for 7 years now, and when all of us go to the racetrack, that's our mission, is to win the Wally. I would go crazy. I would go nuts. I don't know what the guys would do. I'm sure they would go crazy too. I would probably be filled with emotions.
That's all for now. For more NHRA coverage, check us out at GoPRN.com, on Facebook at Facebook.com/NitroNotes, and at CompetitionPlus.com.